Good morning, welcome everyone to this session number 312. In this session I will try to resolve a problem. Today we have the daily problem. Is this okay? Is the problem 1371 and is the find the longest substring, contains vowel letters in even counts. Okay, given the string S, return the size of the longest substring. Well, I think that is in Windows, but I will continue. Return the size of the longest substring, contain each vowel an even number of times. That's it. Well, the vowels letters must appear an even number of the times. Oh, this is the what is my Twitch? Okay. I'm sorry. And okay, leetcode is great. The longest substring is leetc, which contains 2 e's. In this case, the given string BB, BC, BC, BC is the longest because all over 0 times. Well, this is the constraints. Okay, the first point is that the vowel letters could appear or can appear even times, but not the same even time. For example, A could be or can be appeared 2 times, and the letter I can appear 6 times. Yeah, in this case is it's right. Yeah, and only contains lowercase English letters, and the length is at least 1. Okay. I think that it's an Linux Windows problem. But it's curious that here doesn't appear. Okay, well, whatever. Let me move to okay. Here. Now increase the size. Okay, this is our string and only receive this parameter. Okay, and we need to return the longest substring that contains this value of this even frequency. Okay, okay. Okay, sorry, is the vowels. Yeah, and in this case I think that we can have um, these values as an variables, yeah, or a simple array with this division, but well. mm, Now the next step is start here. If we move here, is the longest substring. uh, mm, the longest substring. I am thinking that what happens if you have e b b b mm, e. For example, here the longest is basically this. We should ignore this and ignore this. Okay, yeah. I think that it's an sliding windows, but the idea is that handle these variables for define where we should remove. For example, in this case, the L, well, all these values still is 0. Let me put here A. Yeah, and we start here. Okay, all are even number. Now the next step is here. Now this change. Oh my gosh, but it's the same. How? Okay, until now, the maximum size is 1. That is basically this, the first. Now the next is another letter E. Okay, now or all these values are even values, means that is the size. 1 2 3. Okay, the max is 3. Now the next is this 4. The next is this is 5. The next is this. In this case is this increasing 1, and in this moment we could avoid, or we should avoid the calculus of the maximum because it's not possible. Now the next step is the letter D. We can calculate for this reason. Now the E. Yeah, in which moment? Yeah, my problem here is that if you start here, yeah, and the next is this, obviously you have only one letter E. How know that we shouldn't move our windows or slide, sorry, the windows. I think, okay, let me check here. Oh my gosh, it's very higher. I think that no, I think solution is for the for user device, but I don't want. What happened if I execute, or well, I mapping first all the letters, no, all the vowel letters. In this case, E appear 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the map, and E appear 3 times, oh, 4 times. O appear 1, E, A, 1, and C, it is 1. It code this way. In this case, for example, we know that here, we know that exists more letters E next. Okay, I can continue with this. Along as we still lead code. But for example, here, what happened when if I have letter A, yeah, and here I. Both are vowel letters, but different. I only want to discard 6. Okay, should be the same letter. Okay, I think that I can in total we have 7 elements here. I think that we can handle the I don't know if it's constant no, it's I don't know the translate of this word, consonants, I think. Yeah, consonant, yeah. I can handle the consonant as a 0 and the vowel letters as a 1. For example, here the prefix is 0, here is 1, 2, 2, 2. 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 7. We have 7, right? And okay, we need that all the values or all the vowel letters being or should be even values between 0, well, basically every even value, but starting in 0. And for example, if I start here, I can say that until now the value is 0. Okay, move to the next. Now the next is this. Current value is 1. Yeah, is this. We can calculate the maximum until here, because no. I am thinking that when you for each these values, basically ignore completely the consonants and only focus on the, yeah, only focus on this variable and on the vowel letters. And here is one, two. This ignore. In this case is, well, it's the third vowel letters, but here appear it is, means that we can calculate this, but until this point, yeah. Moving to, or continue with this. Sorry, here is one. Now is ignored. This is four, and here this is odd value, and this is odd value. Means that we can calculate the max. And here is the same. No, here is 5, 5, 5, 6, and here it's okay. I should be in this case, what is the longest? The longest lead code is grade 5 lead. This. But what happened when, for example, A, C, 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 C? No. And no, I was thinking that start here and continue moving until here, and next to start here and move to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. No, basically the first time that this calculate the value is the maximum, but it's not a good approach, because if at the final we have vowel letters, single vowel letters, this logic doesn't works. Here. I think that I am in the right way with this, but I'm not sure. 7. Let me translate this for 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The first letter is L, is a consonant, vowel letter, consonant, vowel letter, consonant, vowel letter, consonant. This with this. When it's a consonant, it's a 0. S, G, and now if I handle the consonant as a 0 and the vowel letters as a 1, Hmm. It's the longest. Hmm. The longest value or the longest substring. I don't. It's impressive the accepted rate that I didn't have idea. I feel as a hard, but mm, yeah, I think that as a hard. Uh, mm, mm, mm. I think that what happened if, for example, when the value is a consonant is zero, when it's a vowel letters, if the current counter of the this vowel letter is even number, is increasing one. In other case, still in the same. Okay, let me check. For example, zero, the first is zero. Okay, one. No, sorry, here should be is the positive way. Zero in this case, is even number. Yeah, it's two. In this case, two, two. In this case, is O, means that one. Uh-huh. Now here is one. Now here it's zero because now sorry, this and even this is zero. Zero, letter I is plus one. This moment is uh-uh. Hmm. 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Mm. Uh-huh. I don't have too much ideas. Okay, I don't like this bit many. Okay, let me think here. For example, if the letter, if this letter, the value is this, and I replace here for the lead code is great. Okay, L is 0, E is 4, another E, 4 plus 4 is 8, T is 0 plus 8 is 8. Let me do first the lead code. O is 8, D 0, E is 4, is great. I it's 6000. E is 4, A is 2, and 0. Yeah, having this is okay. 0, 4, 8, 8, 12, 20, 20, 24, 30, 30, 30, 30, 34, 36, 36. Mm. No, let me change this for an odd value. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, and let me change here. Leetcode is great. Okay, and this is 0, 3, 3, 0, 0, 7, 7, 0, 3, 5, 0, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0. And applying this, the prefix sum is 0, 3, 6, 6, 6. Until now, this is our the longest substring. Yeah, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now moving with the next. The next is this. Is wrong. 16. Yeah, my idea now is I don't like, but it's basically for each all the array or all the string, count how many letters or how many vowel letters appear. No. I don't have ideas. Okay, let me check if we can discover an. Okay, for one reason don't appear as an sliding windows here. Okay, means that we should forget completely to this moment moving these sliding windows. Okay, now in which way we can know. I remember in another problem I had the same question. How was resolved? Mm, 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 I need a hint. gosh, and this is hard. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. Yeah, me too. Okay, let me check the hints again. Represent the counts or odd or even of the vowel with bit max. What is bit max? What is that? Represent the count. Okay, I'll be back. Represent the counts. It's not clear for me. Mm, okay, it's the first time that I listen the bit mask. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. No, I will check the answer because bit mask. What is this? Mm. I don't like these kind of solutions that use the beats and well, in general, the operation with beats it's not my favor. Problems prefix. Okay, I need to check more like this question, but I will move to another. Mm, yeah, I need to study this solution, but I don't want do right now. Reverse integer. What is this? Oh my gosh. Other combination of number. Ah, this sounds like our apps. It's for tracking. Okay. Given a linked list, swipe every two adjacent nodes and return its ahead. You must solve the problem without modifying the values in the list nodes. Only nodes themselves. Maybe change 1, 2, 3, and 4, and is okay. Got it. And here. Okay, is this? Oh my god. Okay, I think that. Yeah. Here we can modify the values and what else? Modify the values in the list nodes. Only this. The numbers of nodes is between 0 and okay, whatever. You got it. Now the idea is that change this for this. For example, 2. Now change to 1, and the 1, sorry, and the 2. Now the next is 3 and 4 is change, and now is 4 and 3, and the 2 connect with the 3, but now is 1 with the 3. No, 1 with the 4. Yeah, I think that in this case we can use the fast and slow pointer. If we are here, basically it's okay. Save this value and attempt. Now this connect. No, is save this value. Now we can use this. Current is equal 1. Next it's equal 2, and next it's equal 3. Yeah, and here is basically okay. Right now current dot next it's equal n dot next. Yeah, n dot next it's equal current in n dot next it's equal n. we start here. I think that the first step is swipe the elements. The first current it's equal 1, next it's equal 2, and yeah, we can say a next dot next it's equal current. Yeah, no, because we are no is one current dot next it's equal n dot next. Yeah, current next current dot next it's equal this. Yeah, and now n dot next it's equal 1. Okay, imagine that we have 1, 2, 1, 3. Now we're moving here. Yeah, but here, how? Okay, I think that we are in a good path. Current next is the first current dot next. No, first is ahead. It's equal and next at this. Okay, now we are here. Now current dot next it's equal n dot next. Yeah, current it's equal this. Now ahead dot next it's equal current head dot next it's equal current. And n dot next it's equal current. This cancel it. I'm not sure about this. Okay, maybe having sentinel node list node temp it's equal new list node less 1. Okay, and now is temp. Well, the first point is if head it's equal null or ahead dot next it's equal null, return ahead. Yeah, at least we should have 2 elements. Now this is the new head temp dot next it's equal ahead dot next. Yeah, this is the first point. Now here is a while, and here's head it's different to null. mm, use a mode we don't modify the values in the list nodes, only the node itself may be changed. Okay, null, sorry, null. Now here is what is the logic? Head it's equal the next, head dot next. But in any moment is saying that we need return the same the same list. Yeah, basically we can start here. Okay, now this is a head. No, here is temp. It's equal temp dot next. Yeah, and here is temp. It's equal a head. Yeah, and next to is basically here is temp have the value dot next is equal a head dot next is 2. Okay, here is starting 2. Now we move to this number 2, and the next that is temp dot next it's equal a head. This case is 1, and a head it's equal a head dot next dot next. Head dot next. Yeah, here I think that is no. We start with the node. Okay. Then dot next it's equal a head dot next. Then dot next it's equal a head. It's equal a head dot next dot next. And here okay, let me copy here this current it's equal head list node next it's equal a head dot next. Now here is basically okay and this that in this case is next dot next, yeah, for save the reference. Now temp dot next it's equal current, no, it's equal next, but before here is current dot next it's equal null. Next dot next it's equal null 2, and here is temp dot next is equal next, and this is current that is this way, temp it's equal temp dot next head it's equal head dot next. No, I'm at, I have the idea to create. Okay, for example, have an fast and slow pointer. For example, one is here, the other is here, and basically is okay. We have a new list. The first is the fast that have the reference to this. Now this is moved to fast.next, and this is moved to here, and it's the same, and it's the same. Now for this, fast and slow. Okay, fast and slow. Let me delete this code, and we need the fast and slow pointer. List node fast it's equal ahead dot next, and slow it's equal ahead. If meanwhile no, even meanwhile fast is different to null, and fast dot next is different to null. No, it's only fast is different to null. Yeah. And now here is temp. Sorry, here is temp it's equal fast. Yeah, for example, in this case the number 2. Slow temp dot next is equal slow. Yeah, basically here is fast is 2. Okay, here I am losing the reference to fast. X is equal fast dot next. Okay, now temp it's equal to fast, temp dot next is equal to slow, slow dot next is equal null. Fast is a 2. Now the 2 go to the, no, this is not necessary. And here temp, no, even is slow dot next is equal this. And fast is equal fast dot next dot next. I think that it's necessary here. Fast dot next is different to temp dot next. Fast is the number 2. Is this is different to null, and this is different to null. Okay, list node is fast dot next. Okay, this arrow temp is equal fast. Okay, 2. Now is no, here is temp it's equal temp dot next dot next. Mm. I am losing the reference here. Temp is equal fast, but I need a reference here to the list node. Result it's equal temp. Result. Mm. Here should be temp dot next it's equal ahead. Here temp. No, because temp is moving. You know what? Maybe, yeah, it's in this way, but the slow start in the ahead, right? In the less one. And it's switching, yeah. Let me change. Pre because it's previous or it's low. No, it's low. It's equal temp, yeah, in this case less one, and list node fast it's equal temp dot next. Yeah, that means that this, or even I can put ahead, but it's the same because it's basically this. Now here we should move basically when happen this. A it's equal slow. Now B it's equal fast. No, it's fast and fast. Dot next, basically here in this. And now is this and this. And now it's connect this with this and this with this. Okay. A dot next it's equal B dot next. B dot next is basically this. It's connect this with this. Okay. Now is connect this, that is A, is connect the tree, no the tree no. No. The first time fast is 1. Yeah, fast is 1 because it's ahead. Okay, now this is the node 1 with the value 1 and this is the node with the value 2. And now is 2 dot next is equal to, no, this is moving to 4, no, to 3. Okay, this reach the 3. Now B is equal A. B is connect with this. Yeah, makes sense. In okay, A it's 1 1 2 with the 3. Okay, now 1 connect with the 3, and the other is B, that is this, connect with 2, connect with the 1. Oh my gosh. I think that here is slow dot next it's equal to B, because the slow it's less 1 and is it's equal B. Yeah, for example here is less 1, 2, B that is 2. Oh. Now slow, we need move to slow to A, fast is equal fast dot next. No, this change, because now all the roots are modified and now is a 3. No, what is temp? Okay. Makes sense, because basically here we are what is Twitch? Yeah, basically we are here oh my, it's too much variables, but the idea is that use this, and this is only for the reference for moving between the list, and is the fast that is 2, no, is 1 the first time, and fast dot next is this, and is it connect the 1 to next, now is connect with the 3. Yeah, and the 2 instead connect with the 3, connect with the 1. Yeah, and now slow dot next that is less 1 dot next it's equal to B that is 2. In this way we are moving the ahead at the beginning, and now it's only move slow it's equal to fast. Fast is this basically, and fast is equal this do this. Yeah, because was modified. Basically this is the previous and this is the next. Yeah, I think that, yeah, works. Oh my gosh, let me copy this. This the problem, and the solution using, what is the name of the Sentinella? No, is dummy node Java. Now here is move here. Okay, thanks for following this transmission.